Across northern Australia, traditional low-density horticultural production systems continue to be highly susceptible to tropical cyclones, leading not only to stagnated sectorial growth but missed economic opportunities. Under a new project being led by the Queensland Department of Agriculture and Fisheries and supported by the Cooperative Research Centre for Developing Northern Australia, a range of high-density production systems and trellis planting systems will be assessed for not only their cyclone resilience but also their production capacity and profitability. Colloquially termed the next generation system, high-density orchards provide growers with a production system that can manage cyclone risks while simultaneously creating a resilient and prosperous horticultural sector. Jan Ditchbalis, the principal horticulturist for the Queensland Department of Agriculture and Fisheries, is here to discuss current technologies and their disadvantages, and how high-density orchards are the key to new growing technology.
I suppose the disadvantage with low density plantings is that you end up with fewer very large trees. So to get the sort of production you need per hectare, you have to let the tree grow. They become inefficient to pick. They present a problem when it becomes netting them to protect them from birds and bats. New growing techniques are required to improve the efficiency of production. High density orchards are certainly usually much more efficient to pick and pack because of the way the trees are managed. The canopies are thinner, pesticide sprays are uniformly applied, so fruit quality is often improved. The challenge is to maintain the productivity in high density situations while we're still learning how to do that, and this project is about testing that system.
With trial sites established across Queensland, the Northern Territory and Western Australia, the Demonstrating Next Gen Resilient Orchards project brings together expertise from multiple government agencies, industry organisations and private companies. Jackfruit, which has exceptional production potential across the majority of Northern Australia, will be used as a catalyst tree crop for the project. Jackfruit is a versatile tree crop that is highly suited to production in Northern Australia. It can be consumed in mature green or fresh fruit and is increasingly being embraced as a meat replacement for vegetarian and vegan consumers.
Jackfruit's got a very interesting future in Australia. It's got potential rather as a fresh produce crop, but also it's limitless in terms of its value added and partially processed opportunity. Yeah, I think you're seeing substantial growth in the industry. Certainly a number of growers that haven't previously played around in jackfruit are starting to grow it, probably a reflection of market demand. Yeah, I think we've learnt over time that low density plantings in cyclone prone areas are quite high risk. It's definitely harder from a production perspective. By comparison, moving to high density, the idea is that you may lose the crop from that year, but you don't necessarily lose the tree. So if we can do some work such as through the trellising, the tree may get battered around a little bit, but it stays in the ground, and that's how we can recover quickly. Yeah, so on the AusX fruit trial site, we're trialing two different things. The first one is 3-wire horizontal trellis system, and the second is a single wire trunk support system. But there's no reason why the production methodology, the next generation system, can't be applied to any crop. It's all about resilience and managing the crop from the outset. I think it's an opportunity to show growers, both current and potential, that there is a way to de-risk this industry.